안녕 친구들! I have Get Ready With Me / unboxing. I ordered this package from a website called 하늘하늘, and I'm not paid or anything to do this video. I really like 하늘하늘's makeup brand called Peach Sea. They recently released 2 products, lip tint and also blush, and one of the blush were really pretty, and the color is yellow, guys. And when I saw 하늘 wear that blush in one of her poster for this promotion, I was like, oh my god, I really want to do a look like that. So I thought, why not just try to incorporate her latest products and also review it at the same time. So I got this really big package, and yeah, let's open it up together. Ooh. When you open the box, you get, I guess it's a mirror. Oh yeah, it's a mirror, their brochure, and you get the blush and the lip tint. So I'm gonna open these 2 boxes first. I think it's a mirror. Yeah, I am right. It's a mirror, guys. Yay! I'm guessing also this one is a mirror. That's right, guys. I have 2 mirrors, left and right. And now we're gonna open this one together. So let's actually open up the blush. Oh, it's so pretty. Moment of truth. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh my god. Yes! Hanu's so pretty. It comes with 4 colors. I'm really interested to try this one out. And they're all really pretty. The packaging is matte too, which I really like. I think overall they did a good job on the packaging. Wow, I really like it. Hanu's so pretty. The first color that I'm gonna show you guys is this color, 살구 피치크. It's in yellow. Wow. So this is the color for 살구, which is the yellowish orangey color. I think they're actually a lot more wearable than I thought. It's a lot more peachy orange. So if you guys are into orange color blushes, you guys will love this. I think it's really unique, and it doesn't look as scary as you see from the pen, but like once you swatch it, it looks really lovely. It's really peachy orangey color, and I think it's perfect for the summer. The next color that I'm gonna swatch is called Shy Peachik. Shy Peachik is a lot more pinkier than the previous one. The texture is really silky and it applies really well, and it doesn't have any like that chalky feeling, which I love. Wow, this is really pretty. This is such a beautiful color. Really beautiful, very lovely. If you guys are into rosy pink color, you guys will definitely love this. Or anywhere in between peachy and also pink, this one is right in between, and I feel like this is a really safe color. The next one that I'm gonna try out is Coral Peachik. This is seriously definition of coral color. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it right here. Ooh, a lot more orangey than this one. The next one is called Rose Peachik. Rose Peachik is right here. This is Rose Peachik, and this one reminds me a lot of the Style Nanda, I think the Mood Recipe one. I think they came out with a blush. That one looks exactly like this, and I think it's really pretty. So if you guys have warmer skin tone, and if you guys are looking for something that's a lot more wearable, romantic, but not too much, it looks natural, rosy cheek color, you guys will definitely love this one. Done swatching Peach Cotton Blusher. I'm gonna move on to Peach Holiday Tint. Let's open it up together. When you open it, it comes with 5 colors. So I actually got a holiday like kit. This one is called Peach Holiday Tint, and when you open it, it comes with a brochure, and then you'll see this plastic one right here, so you can just take it out. It comes with 5 lip tints. The first color that I'm gonna swatch is called Tropical. This one is a neon bright orange color. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I like it. I don't have any color like this. You know what this reminds me of? Reminds me of an orange skin. I feel like it's really pretty. I can't wait to pair this with the yellow blush that I got just now. The next one is called Rose Beige, which is this one right here. Oh, this color is actually really pretty. This color is a lot more nudie coral type of color. So if you guys love coral, you guys will definitely like this. The next one is called Sweet Coral. Oh, this one is pretty. Oh my god, it's pretty. I really like it. Oh, this is really pretty. The next one is called Raspberry. Oh, oh yeah. Yes, yes, people. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, I love this type of red. Apple red is always really pretty on any type of skin tone. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, the last color that I'm gonna try out is in color number 5, Deep Plum. Oh, oh nice. Oh, I love every single color. They're all really wearable. I really want to give credit to Hanul for selecting all these colors. Packaging is so much cuter and I just love all the color. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna put on makeup and I'll be back, and then we're gonna put on the blush and also the lip colors. First, for base, I'm gonna use this VT Sika Redness Cushion. It's one of my current favorite cushions that I've been wearing for every single day now, almost. And I'm gonna just apply this base on my face. Korea has been really hot, you guys. I kid you not, it was so hot. I thought Indonesia was hot, but Korea is really hot. I just changed my lens because the one that I use is wide lens for this camera. I just changed the lens and I like it a lot. It's a lot more brighter than the previous one. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this one better or the previous one better? I really like this cushion because it doesn't have any darkening. It has really good coverage and I love how it sits on my skin. It doesn't make my pore look big, and the cool thing about this product, this green color outside is actually Sika formula. It helps to even out your skin tone and also it helps with calming your skin. So if you guys have really acne prone sensitive skin, I would highly recommend this one. Coverage is great, product is good, and I've been loving this one on my skin lately. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm in the shade 23. By the way, I just cleaned the tint with oil cleanser and look how much it stained my arm, you guys. Wow. I'm gonna use my Heimish Dailyism brow pencil in natural brown. All my products are currently in my boyfriend's house because my air conditioner broke, but I have to still come back home here because I need a film. Oh guys, if you live in Korea right now, you have to have air conditioner, otherwise you're gonna be suffering like me. Like, I haven't seen any Korean who's not using fan, you know, the portable fan. I was in Japan last week and when I was carrying that, like everyone in Japan was like just staring at me and looking at me weird, but I was like, I need to survive, people. I'm not gonna faint because of heat stroke. And I'm telling you, it's hotter than Indonesia right now. Some of my Indonesian friends, like, they came here and they were like, oh my god, Sunny is a lot more hotter than Jakarta. Jakarta is already hot. Imagine Korea. If you guys are planning on coming to Korea, I wouldn't recommend. Next, I'm gonna take this 3CE Maison Kitsune multi-color palette in warming wear. A lot of the colors here are very like orangey tone colors. I think the Maison Kitsune warming wear collection will suit the whole makeup for today's look. So we're just gonna play around with this color today. Do you guys watch Korean drama? Lately, I've been really into Korean drama. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Oh my god, you guys, I've been really loving that drama. And like, I'm saving them because I know they just ended the series, and I'm saving one episode each because I feel like if I watch everything at once, I'll be really sad when it's over. So I've been watching them really slowly. I've been really into What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. If you guys have any other like Korean dramas that you guys want to recommend me, don't forget to comment down below because I'm looking for a new one, because I know I'm gonna be so sad when I'm done watching What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. You know guys, I didn't know making your own brand would be this hard. I'm launching my brand real soon. I'm so excited, but at the same time I've been so stressed out because there's so many colors to pick out. There's a lot of process in making your own brand, especially makeup. I've been so stressed out because you have to pay extra attention with like packaging, formula, colors. There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes. So yeah, I haven't been sleeping really well too because I have a lot of things going on at the moment, a lot of projects going on. I'm releasing a lot of different things at the same time, collaboration and things like that. So I'm happy, I'm really grateful, just that I haven't had enough sleep because it's just a lot of work at the moment. Ooh. I'm gonna connect the color to my lower outer V. I'm gonna skip mascara. I don't feel like doing mascara today. I'm just gonna come in with Magic Insight Holika Holika Eye Glitter. This one is Eye Metal Glitter in color number 2, Rose Post. So the product looks like this. Oh my god. I'm gonna go back to this color. So the color that I'm gonna try out today is this color right here, the first one. Oops! Yellow, ladies and gentlemen, it's yellow. I'm gonna apply it right here. Oh, it's pretty! I like it, I like it. Oh my god, this is really cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do it a little bit like this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so cute! I love how blushes, it translates differently on skin tone. This one looks really yellow, guys. But once you apply it, it looks really wearable. Ah, I'm digging this. The color that we're gonna try out is in color Tropical, the brightest one. I'm really hoping that my teeth doesn't look really yellow though. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. It's so pretty. 너무 예쁜데? 어떡하지? So I'm gonna put a little bit of freckles here and wear my circle lenses and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I really like it. I think all the collections are really well made. I personally think Hano did a great job in selecting all the colors. I just cleaned it again for the second time and look how much it stained my arm, you guys. This is really good. All the colors are really pretty. I usually don't gravitate towards like really bright orange color, but this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Good job, Hana. I love PGC. They're really pretty. I'll link it down below for you guys to check out. I bought this with my own money as well. I just wanted to try out and support a fellow YouTuber. Just really like all the colors. I think, yeah, good job. Love the blush. Love the lip color. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. 안녕!